out my pores and I thought I would let you know. You are the nightlight ripping through my wicked world. How you make it sparkle and glow before I lose control. There's just one thing you should know. This is for real. This time I mean it. I'm coming clean, please don't let go. I said from the start that you could take it or leave it. Prefer that you keep it. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. I had some nightmares clawing at my skin and bones. I nearly did explode. You smoked the demons, gave me back my feelings now.